If you have Kohler and you have a Venza faucet with this center piece set like this, you see it here, and it starts leaking from the base, then you need to call Kohler, and they're very good, and they'll actually send you new, these are called genuine Kohler parts, but they're the ceramic valves. I believe that's what they're called, ceramic valves. Be nice if it said what this thing is, but it doesn't. And what you do is you replace them. They'll come in a package like this. Cool. Thank you, Kohler. And when you install it, it'll look like this. And what I recommend is leave it unattached and turn it on to make sure it's not leaking at the base, because it'll continue to leak at the base if it's not installed right, if the valves are leaking. But it looks like this one's not leaking. There you go. And you can see there's no water. There was water coming out of here before. It was coming right out of here, which is not good. So, peace out. This is a big thanks to Kohler for sending the ceramic valves replacements. Thank you. Bye.